You're always going to start with frothing your milk. So the first thing you're going to do is take your steam pitcher, fill it up with milk. Here at SRE, we like to add flavor to the milk to make it nice and sweet, and that way you don't need any sugar. Then, first thing you do is you hold up the steam pitcher with milk up to the frothing wand. You're going to open it all the way to release the pressure, and you're going to push this button, and it's going to steam your milk for you. As you go, you can feel the side of your steam pitcher, and you'll be able to feel when it's ready. Close the valve. And we also like to clean off the steam wand every time after you steam milk. And you see your milk is nice and frothy. Then you're going to brew your espresso shots. So the first thing you do is you take off the handle. You're going to grind beans directly into the handle. You're going to tamp your grinds down. Put the handle back on the machine. You can choose to put a cup underneath or 2 shots of shot glasses. And this is a semi-automatic machine, so you push the button to turn it on. And you'll see your 2 shots of espresso brewing beautifully. After the shots are finished, you turn it off. You'll see your beautiful cup of espresso with the crema on top. Combine that with your frothed milk. And you have a beautiful